Thumbelina and the Kingdom of Petals. Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage at the edge of a magical meadow, there lived a kind woman who longed for a child of her own. One day, a friendly fairy visited her and gave her a glowing flower bud. "Plant this with love," the fairy whispered, "and you shall receive a special gift." The woman gently placed the bud in a pot, watered it, and watched as it bloomed under the moonlight. From within its petals came the tiniest, most beautiful girl, no bigger than a thumb. She had golden hair, sparkling eyes, and a sweet laugh like chimes in the wind. The woman named her Thumbelina. Thumbelina loved singing with the crickets, dancing with fireflies, and floating on lily pads. But one quiet night, while she slept in her walnut shell cradle, a mischievous toad saw her and thought, "She'd make a lovely bride for my son." The toad snatched her away and carried her to the riverbank. But Thumbelina was clever and kind. With the help of a friendly fish and a soft-hearted dragonfly, she escaped. She drifted down the stream, through magical forests and sun-dappled groves. Along her journey, Thumbelina met all sorts of creatures. A proud beetle who tried to dress her in glittery leaves. A field mouse who invited her to live in a cozy burrow. And a wealthy mole who wanted her to stay underground forever. But Thumbelina missed the sky, the stars, and the sound of the wind. "I belong where flowers bloom," she whispered sadly. Butterfly. Just as winter faded into spring, Thumbelina helped a tiny, injured swallow who had fallen near the field mouse's home. She cared for him, sang to him, and kept him warm. When he was strong again, the grateful swallow said, "Climb on my back, dear Thumbelina. Let me take you to a place where you truly belong." With wings wide and strong, the swallow soared over valleys and meadows, across sparkling lakes and rainbow-touched clouds, until they reached the Kingdom of Petals, a hidden world where flower folk lived in blooming blossoms, just her size. There, Thumbelina met the flower prince, whose heart was as kind as hers. His crown was made of daisies, and his smile lit up the garden. "You're the most wonderful person I've ever met," he said. "Will you stay and be our princess?" Thumbelina, overjoyed, said yes. The flowers danced, the bees hummed, and the butterflies painted the sky with color. Thumbelina had finally found a home where she could grow, laugh, and be loved. And every spring, the swallow came to visit her, singing the tale of the tiny girl with the big heart who found her way home. And they lived happily ever after.